Stop wasting $20 a month on extra AI tools. If you're using Google Workspace, you're likely sitting on a secret menu of AI features you're already paying for. Most people leave Google Search to go use ChatGPT, but why? Gemini is now built directly into your search bar. You can take an AI summary and, with one click, turn it into a full doc or an email. No copying, no pasting, just flow. And it's not just text. You have Google Vids for instant video creation and NotebookLM, which can literally turn your messy research notes into a professional podcast. If you're worried about privacy, here's the kicker. Unlike other platforms, Google Workspace doesn't use your business data to train its AI. Your secrets stay secret. Want the real power? Move to AI Ultra Access. You get Gemini 3.1 Pro, a deep think mode for complex coding, and Project Mariner, an AI agent that actually navigates websites and finishes tasks for you while you work. Stop switching tabs and stop overpaying. You already have the best AI on the market. It's time to start using it. Visit us at www.caveconsulting.com to learn more.